Hey, this is Rob with South Main Travelers, and whether you're a seasoned cruiser or this is your first time on a cruise ship, I've got 5 tips that could make your cruise even better. Hey, this is Rob with South Main Travelers, and I've got 5 really cool tips I want to share with you so the next time you go on a vacation, we use it on the cruises all the time, are these really cool items we like to take with us. One of the first things that I want to tell you about is it's actually a foldable, collapsible backpack. It's made by Samsonite. You can tote this around if you're, let's say you're going to a port, you don't want to tote a whole bunch of stuff right away, you're getting off the ship. You can tote this with you pretty easily. It almost fits in a pocket. But if you've got a purse or something like that, it'll fit. But this opens up real easy into a fairly decent sized backpack. It will hold, kind of hard to show you, but it'll hold a good bit. The next thing that I've gotten a lot of questions about is what do you do with your stuff when you're out on the beach, or if you're at some other location, you want to secure your things. This is by Master Lock. It's one we used. If we're out at the beach, there's a combination. It'll hold, I know it holds both our phones, wallet, keys. Of course, you don't need keys if you're on a cruise, but your wallet, keys, a lot of things that you just want to keep. Nothing, not huge, but pretty big. But how do you keep it from getting taken? There's another button on the other side. This will come around. You can loop it through the lounger. And of course, yes, loungers will move, but it's going to be hard to steal your items if they have to take the lounger with them too. So snaps in. It's really secure. You can't hardly cut these cables. And that's fairly inexpensive. I will link all of these things in the description. But this, again, is a Travel Safe by Master Lock. Next thing, you're going on a cruise. One of the biggest problems that you'll find nowadays is the lack of power options. Cruises today are, there's a lot of digital stuff. Your itinerary a lot of times is on an app that would be on your phone. Reservations, maps, all that kind of stuff is going to be on your phone. Well, if you're going to use it, you have to charge it. And if you've only got one 110 outlet and you've got 3 or 4 people in your room, that makes things difficult. And we carry a lot of extra stuff. We've got cameras and we got all kinds of things. And so what we went and did is also in those rooms, there will be 220 European style plugs. And we got these adapters. It gives you 2 additional 110 connections. And these will actually come 2 in a pack in some of these. So you're adding, if there's 220 outlets, you've got 4 more. A lot of times there's really only one 110 plug. If you're looking to really save your budget and you've booked an interior room, those can get really dark. So a little night light, we've got these, and they're motion sensitive. They're also magnetic, so they will stick to the walls of most cruise ships. I've got a little video clip I'll add in here where we would attach this to the wall real low down, and the motion sensor works really well. It'll pick up pretty much any motion at very low light conditions. And now in the bathrooms, there aren't a lot of magnetic walls. We had to stand it up. We had to stand it up on end, but it would still pick up the motion. And again, you can see this section of the video. I'll add that clip in here. One other thing is packing. if you want to keep your items really small, or you don't want to carry a lot of bags, everybody's seen the vacuum packing bags. Well, this one does not require a vacuum. This really is like a Ziploc bag. This is a throw blanket. This is, I'll open this up, show you. It's a typical throw. We actually did this with a twin blanket when we went on our Alaska cruise. And so this is a pretty fluffy, not hugely fluffy, but a pretty fluffy blanket. And that packed into the bag real well. These are just 5 really cool tips that I wanted to share with you. Next time you travel, it's not necessarily just for cruises. Pretty much anywhere you want to go, these are great items to take with you. Well, if you liked the information in the video, please subscribe to our channel. Check out the rest of the videos we've got on there, and I hope you enjoyed it.